The center has issued a fresh advisory directing social media platforms and online intermediaries to tighten action against obscene, vulgar, pornographic, and other illegal content. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said it has received repeated complaints from the public, stakeholders, and courts over content that violates laws on decency and obscenity. It said such concerns have also been raised in Parliament and some cases have been referred to law enforcement agencies. The ministry said platforms must show greater consistency and rigor in meeting their due diligence obligations. It stressed the need for faster identification and removal of sexually explicit, pedophilic, child harmful, and other unlawful content. MeitY reminded intermediaries that their legal protection under the IT Act depends on compliance with the IT Rules 2021. It said platforms are required to make responsible efforts to prevent the upload of illegal content and must act swiftly on court or government orders within prescribed timelines. Platforms were also asked to strengthen user reporting and grievance redressal systems. Large social media companies were advised to deploy automated and technology-driven tools to proactively curb the spread of such content. The ministry retaliated the 24-hour takedown rule for intimate content, saying material that is prima facie sexual in nature must be removed within a day of receiving a complaint. The ministry warned that failure to comply could invite action under multiple laws, including the IT Act, the Indecent Representation of Women Act, and the POCSO Act, and urged platforms to immediately review their content moderation mechanisms.